Take it easy.
Hey, what's going on, Drip fam? It's Phil here back with another video, and in today's video we're talking about why Shopify dropshipping will be 100% dead by 2020. As everybody knows, Shopify dropshipping is one of the most popular niches online right now at the moment. There are thousands of gurus out there teaching Shopify dropshipping to everybody and their mom. The challenge is that not a lot of these people know the real dangers of dropshipping and just how short-term of a business model it really is. I know the people who are doing dropshipping are going to hate this video and they're going to say, this isn't true, there are ways to do dropshipping long-term, and that's correct, there are. But even when you do it long-term, it is still not a good business model, and I'm going to explain why at the end of the video. So, number one, Facebook. Facebook hates dropshipping. They consider it something called low-quality e-com. So low-quality e-com is not only stuff like dropshipping, it's a lot of affiliate e-commerce, basically stuff where customers are complaining, there's a really high negative feedback rating on an ad. Anything, you can tell if it's a dropshipping product, just look at the ad and look at the amount of angry faces. That's literally where Facebook is at right now on e-commerce, is they're looking for a solution to filter out this low-quality e-com, which is dropshipping. They are definitely coming up with ways to eradicate it from the Facebook platform. Number two is Shopify. So Shopify themselves hate dropshipping. If you don't believe me, go to the link below. I have a link to Shopify's terms where they talk about dropshipping being one of the most high-risk business models that they support, but at the same time, that it basically means eventually if we catch you doing this, you're either going to have your Shopify payments banned, or it's just an area that we like to stay out of. The reason that this is Shopify realizes that a lot of these people are having problems later on with their stores. They have massive fallouts where products won't get delivered. People will basically accrue like a negative balance from like refunds, and then they'll just disappear. And that leaves Shopify with the bill. It also makes Shopify's platform look really bad because when customers check out and they see all these Shopify logos, they kind of correlate that bad experience with Shopify. So once again, Shopify hates dropshipping. Number three, and this is no surprise at all, and this is PayPal. PayPal has hated dropshipping for years. This is nothing brand new. This is not like breaking news. PayPal has announced that they hate dropshipping. They limit accounts, they withhold funds, they freeze transfers, they do all types of stuff to dropshippers because they hate the model. They know how risky dropshipping is. There's no quality control, so PayPal once again gets stuck with the bill, and it makes them look bad if a dropshipper somehow manages to win a PayPal dispute, and it leaves the customer kind of irritated with PayPal. So once again, they consider it a high-risk business. Number four is Instagram influencers, and a lot of people don't talk about this one. But if you look at really big Instagram influencers that used to do stuff like watches, used to do stuff like wall art, you see a lot of negative, angry comments as far as like people who never received their stuff still blasting the promoters of this dropshipping store because they feel that they're the ones who either own it or endorsed it. So it once again falls back on the Instagram influencers. Number five is the most important, and that's your customers. Your customers, if you were doing drop shipping from AliExpress, they hate you. If they don't hate you now, they're going to hate you tomorrow, 1 week from now, 2 weeks from now. It's going to happen because something is going to happen that is going to seriously mess up your ability to get your customers what they paid for. This is something that people don't take seriously enough because this, when you get enough scale, is people filing attorney general complaints, people going to the Better Business Bureau, which is a private organization. They can't really do much. Although if you want to actually get your business approved with the Better Business Bureau, if you do drop shipping, good luck with doing that in the future because they're going to have a seriously bad outlook on your business, and you're probably not going to get approved. Another one is people taking legal action. People have been getting sued by customers. There's been class actions all over the web for some of the larger drop shipping stores. And it's simply because people aren't getting their stuff. I mean, you pay like $50 to $100, $200 for some of these orders, and it takes 6 to 8 weeks sometimes to receive it because it gets stuck in customs or it gets lost or it's broken. I mean, it's an eventuality that people are going to get sued when they do this at a large enough scale. So this is the most important one, but I mean, all these others with what's being taught right now, I mean, here you have the two main traffic sources that people are teaching, and yes, Google is kind of in there, but it's not a lot of people use Google for drop shipping compared to Facebook and Instagram. Both payment processors that are commonly taught to use with this method hate it. Like I said, most importantly, your customers hate it. So before I end the video, guys, I promised I would talk about why I think drop shipping is not going to be around. Simply put, not only is it these 5 things, people also realize that there are better models. People are starting to realize there's things like private labeling, warehousing, and really building legitimate brands and stores. Specifically, where you're losing money with drop shipping is you're losing control. You have no control. You don't have quality control. You have no control over shipping, things being lost. I mean, it's just a nightmare as far as like quality control and having any control over your business. The second point is that you're losing so much money by not being able to add in shipping options. So adding in rush shipping, overnight shipping, these are things that when I implemented them into my store, added 20, 30% extra profit easily, because people are so used to Amazon that they want stuff really fast. People are just so used to ordering stuff online and getting it in 1 to 2 days. Thank Amazon for that. That brings me on to my third point, which is you have no control over the product pricing. So if you were to get it directly from a manufacturer or like, let's say from an Alibaba provider, you're gonna notice that whatever product you're drop shipping off of AliExpress is much cheaper on Alibaba. And that's because some of the people on AliExpress are actually arbitraging, ordering from Alibaba and selling it individually piece by piece on AliExpress. So essentially you're getting ripped off for every single item that you order. You're paying way, way, way too much. Ordering in bulk and warehousing it and doing it like the actual proper way, it's just better all around in my opinion. I challenge somebody down below in the comments to let me know how AliExpress dropshipping is a long-term method. And no, I'm not talking about getting a warehouse. At that point, you're not dropshipping. You're storing stuff in-house. That's a better approach, by the way. I do recommend you do that if you're interested in doing this. But once again, I challenge somebody down below to come up with a reason why AliExpress dropshipping will still be here by 2020. Because these 5 things alone tell me that I'll be surprised if it's here even next year. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think down below. I'd love to hear some responses. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. And as always, guys,
take it easy.